Hello there, Plymouth Fire. So after spending a day, well actually it was just a couple hours, sitting in front of the drill press and the length trimmer, I've now got it in my Frankfurt Arsenal rotary tumbler, and I'm gonna put it on for an hour, and then we'll come back to this. So here we are, it's been through the tumbler. Now I'm just letting it dry. You can see they're still moist. I got mixed Grendel in there. You can see the difference between the small primer and the large primer. Guess I could send them through again. Clean out the pockets perfectly, but as long as they seat the primers, I am happy. So now I just got to give them a day or so to dry, unless I want to stick them in the oven. I'm using a French fry tray to allow the stainless steel pins to fall through. In a plastic tub, I've got a couple small holes to allow the water to drain out. Yeah, coming along. This is what it looks like when they're done. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.